Welcome back. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 13 divided by 6. Find all such numbers. Okay? So if we say that the number multiplied by the sum by its reciprocal, that is 1 divided by x, is equal to 13 divided by 6, or 13/6. So if we multiply both sides of the equation by the least common denominator, that is x times 6, then we have x times 6x plus 1 times 6x divided by x is equal to 13 times 6x divided by 6. This will be 1 and 6 will be 1. Then we have 6x squared plus 6 is equal to 13x. If we subtract both sides of the equation by 13, x plus 13x, then we have 6x squared minus, not plus, sorry, minus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is 0 now. I'm going to solve this by completing the squares so that you can see that it does only apply. It's not only the quadratic formula. Okay, I've been using quadratic formula for many times. Now it is the completing the squares that I'm going to use. If we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x squared, we have x squared now minus 13 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we subtract both sides of the equation by 1, then we have x squared minus 13 6x is equal to negative 1. And if we add both sides of the equation by the half of the middle term, we have negative 13, and half of that will be 12 squared. We do for the right hand side also. We have negative 13 divided by 12 squared. So the left hand side of the equation now is a perfect square. X minus 13 12 parenthesis squared is equal to, we have negative 1 plus 169 divided by 144. So if we subtract that, we have negative 144 plus 169 divided by 144. X minus 13 12th parenthesis squared. And this one now is 25. I hope so, yeah, it's 25 divided by 144. And we have x minus 13 12 squared. So if we take the square root of both sides of the equation, then we have x minus 13 12th is equal to 5, positive negative 5 times divided by 12. It's positive negative. So if we move this one to the left hand side by adding 13 12 to both sides of the equation, then we have two possibilities. X1 now is, we have 5 plus 13 divided by 12, that is 18 divided by 12, that is 3/2. And we have the other possibility, which is negative 5 plus 13 divided by 12, that is 8 12, that is 2/3. You can check if these values are correct. You can always check that. For example, we're going to check by this value. We have now x is 3/2. I will take another pen. 3/2 added by its reciprocal, that is 2/3, is equal to 13/6. That's a question. So if we multiply this by 3, because we need to find the expand it by 3 because we need to find the least common denominator, and this is by 2. This is by 3, this is by 2. Then so that is 9 plus 4. 6 is the same as 13/6. 13 divided by 6. And if this applies in this value, the same, it's almost the same. It's the same. It's 2/3 plus the reciprocal is 3/2. Then it's still, you have 2 here times 2 and times 3 here times 3. Then you will see that it is also 13 divided by 6. Now, for my next is an alcohol consumption problem. See you around.